six-figure blueprints, you're going to get the course, okay? You're going to get the training. You're going to get a pre-built sales funnel and emails. These are pre-built. You do need to edit them to make them unique to you, okay? You're going to get a community. You're going to get coaching and a mentor, okay? It's an e-learning industry. This is the top growing business to start in 2023. You're going to get Zooms, okay? And guys, the month of April, this is what you're going to get the month of April. You're going to learn to brand yourself. We're going to be discussing mindset and how important mindset is when it comes to building this business. You're going to gain more confidence. You're going to learn how to grow your email list. This is really important. You're going to learn how to create TikTok videos, 7 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. And you're going to learn how to create them using an image, talking videos, your face, pointing or faceless. You're going to learn how to make daily commissions. You're going to learn who your target audience is. And the group is there for accountability. Okay. Again, it's a low startup. You can come in at either one of these levels. Okay. You're going to need a domain name and you get this for free. Now I'm going to look back at my comments. And guys, basically digital marketing, this course is going to teach you how to be a digital marketer, and you can be a digital marketer for whatever you want. Because basically, guys, you are recommending a product. So you're going to find a product. I would highly look at the commissions you are earning from that product. Is it a high ticket or a low ticket? But you can market whatever you want. Yes, when you have a great team and community, absolutely. You lock hands and it's fun, it's easy, it's exciting. If I use just TikTok to start and I set up an account to promote a certain niche, then do you set up? So if you start, let's say you came in at $300 level, this course, this training, this e-learning is going to teach you how to do digital marketing. And if you choose to market the course, you can, okay? You're going to get a duplicated funnel and email. Now, if you say, I don't want to market the course, I want to create my own, there's information of how to create a funnel, but you're going to have to create your own sales funnel, okay? And then, yes, you will use TikTok, one platform, to market that product. Yes, if you're like promoting make money online for your niche, but you also want to do something at cooking, you do want 2 different TikToks. So what comes with the $300 that's not with the $600 course? The $600 course gives you information on how to brand yourself, how to create a course,